want to be part of our family. Our family. Our family.
Whose family are we going to meet today? Bobby and Lenny's. Bobby is 5 and Lenny is 7. They live with their mum and dad in a village by the sea. I wonder what they're up to today.
That's it. Very good. Bobby, you're going to do one round here.
Bobby and Lenny are feeling crafty. They're making a volcano with plastic bottles and paper.
What we need to do next, boys, it's quite messy.
Dad's helping.
You all right with that, aren't you?
I like messy.
Tear bits up, about this size. Here, Len, screw it up into a ball. Bobby, put yours, mix it in the mixture.
Is that right, Dad? Is that big enough?
That's it, great. Mix it in.
Squish the paper and glue together.
Now put your bit round here. Right down there, fill all the spaces.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's great.
Over this here. Lenny, what colour are you going to paint the volcano? We should paint it brown to you. So we do brown and then do orange and then red and... What sort of noise does the volcano make? Like this.
Great volcano noise, Bobby. Strips of paper make a smooth papier-mâché surface.
Well done, then. Put your hands in the glue, rub them together, and then smooth it over. That's very good. Smooth it over the whole lot, Len. That's it.
Oh, what sticky, sticky hands.
Very good, Bob.
Then what do you think of it? I love it.
So you're finished, are you?
Yep. So let's laugh under the ground and
That's it.
it goes over here and then here and then...
It comes out the top. That's right.
Bobby knows a lot about volcanoes. Once it's dried, they can paint it and make it erupt with pretend lava. Lenny and Bobby have come outside to wash their bikes.
How are you doing, Bob? Whoa, mine was done shiny.
You want me to turn it around, Len?
Soapy water soon cleans away the dirt.
Daddy, I cleaned that as well.
Wow, that's a good job, Bob. That looks really good.
Does it go behind please? I'm cleaning the windows.
Give it a rinse, quick. That's it, Bob.
Dad, I'm doing this.
Doing good there, Bobby.
It's too filthy. Bobby? Yeah? What part of the car are you cleaning? I'm cleaning the front. The front? Yeah. Oh. I'm cleaning the wheel. Are you? Yeah, what I done, Bob?
Lenny's sponge is stuck in the wheel. Careful not to get Lenny wet, Bobby.
Yeah.
Too late.
Lily, you should be washing the car, but we're washing ourselves. Bobby, it's a little bit wet.
Looks like it's had a bath.
Yeah, I have. A nice bath.
There's still plenty of scrubbing to do, boys.
Lily, what kind of car you want when you get older? Ferrari. When I get older, I don't have a police car.
A police car? Good choice, Bobby.
What type of police car though? Like a real one. Is it going to have flashing lights? Yeah, flashing lights. On the top. Nino, 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 Nino. Nino.
You'll have to become a policeman when you're older, Bobby.
Nino, 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 Nino. Big bubble! Big bubble!
Dad's going to rinse off the car with some cool, clean water.
Get ready.
is for the car, not you, Lenny.
Oh, well, you've done a good job.
Clean car,
Well done, boys.
Cleaned all their bikes as well, darling.
clean bikes, and clean Bobby and Lenny. All dry, Bobby and Lenny are having a hot chocolate treat with lots of their favourite toppings.
Oh, Len, got sprinkles.
What does that smell of?
Chocolate.
Marshmallows. Right, who's helping me spoon the chocolate in?
Bobby shares out scoops of chocolate powder.
Oh,
That's a big one.
1,
good boy.
2. Dad, is the kettle boiled?
It has boiled, yes. This is very hot, boys.
It's safer if Dad pours in the hot water.
Daddy's going to stir these ones because it is really hot in there.
Those look yummy.
This will warm you right up, boys.
And gives it a good stir.
I want cream.
Be careful because it's still
It's hot, so you've got to be careful.
The cream's meant to squirt downwards, Bobby.
Ready? Try and aim it at the cup this time, Bob. Well done.
Look at that.
Is that enough?
Plenty. Wow.
You're right. Oh, that's it, Len. Well done.
Wow.
That's it, well
Wow,
done.
that's good. Let's do mummies.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, Len, not that many. You won't get them all in the cup.
Go on, Len.
Squish them all in, Lenny.
Right, who's having sprinkles? Sprinkle those onto your drink.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Bobby, do you want some?
Yes.
You're going to sprinkle them onto the spoon first? Yeah, we'll do that.
Bobby likes his sprinkles on the table.
Sprinkle them on.
What a mess.
Well done.
It's really nice.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Really nice.
Nice? Is it really nice?
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, everybody. People are trying a little bit of yellow in there.
The volcano is dry, so Lenny and Bobby are going to paint it.
Dad, I'm going to paint up here because the lava.
What a good colour, Len. Well done.
Do a little bit around the bottom, Bob, there. See where all the light is.
Bobby, you can do this bit here, and then you do that bit, okay?
Don't mess that bit up, though, okay? Do you think we should do one side blue and one side green? Start about here. All the way around here, up to that sea, yeah?
This volcano has the sea on one side and grass on the other.
What sort of animals will live in the grass? Worms. Worms? Yeah. What about tigers? Yeah. And lions. Elephant? Yeah. And grasshoppers. Maybe. Yeah. Monkeys. Monkeys. You're a little monkey. What about butterflies? Yeah. What does something live in the sea? Oh, shark? Maybe, actually, yeah. A whale? Yeah. Sea monster? No, they're not real. What about octopus? Yeah, octopus and... a whale. Yeah, that's good, actually, yeah, a whale. I said that, didn't I?
A few finishing touches.
Finished. Bobby, just do lines. Don't have to paint it everywhere. I know. That looks like lava. Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Oh, wow, that looks fantastic.
Mum and Dad join them for the big eruption. Dad's adding some kitchen ingredients to make pretend lava, including food colouring.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Whoa!
Look at the lava, look.
That's like proper molten lava.
Whoa, look at that, look at the bubbles
Look, it's
popping
still
up.
coming out, look.
It looks like real lava, doesn't it?
Wow! The lava flow has reached the sea and covered the grass.
Alex, do it now!
Look at that big bubble in the top. Oh, pop! Pop the bubble.
I think they're nearly run out.
How about some orange food colouring?
That looks really good, doesn't it?
Really cool. Different reds and oranges. What do you like it, red or orange, Bob?
I like orange.
You like the orange?
I like red and orange. Now it looks like a real volcano, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That is what real lava looks like as well, isn't it?
I think it's amazing.
I wonder who we're going to meet next time on Our Family.